welcome to the second tutorial of LaTeX. In first tutorial, we talked about overleaf and some basics of LaTeX. In the second tutorial, we will talk about some common mathematical notations and equations. So let's start. And in previous videos, I called LaTeX and TextMaker, but it is actually pronounced as LaTeX and TextMaker because in LaTeX this is not X, this is a Greek letter chi, we pronounce it K. So this is not a LaTeX, this is LaTeX. So first let's save the document. Let's name it tutorial 2 and document class 11 points. These are standards commands. After writing article, we will write begin document. So let's write some common mathematical equations like y is equals to 2x square plus 3x plus 5. So for writing mathematical equations, you know that you have to put these equations in a dollar sign. So let's put this equation in a dollar sign. And you will see the result this. Let's write some more common equations like y is equals to 2x cube, again in the dollar sign. You can see the result like this. Yeah, so you are saying these two equations in the same line. For changing the line, you should put equations in a double dollar sign. So from now I will put equations in a double dollar sign for changing the line. Yeah. So let's write a Greek letters. Greek letters. If you want to write, let's say pi, so use double dollar sign, and between these signs you can write \pi. By doing this, you will get this result. And if you will write like this, capital P is small I and double dollar sign, you will get this pi, the multiplication. And some more like lambda is automatically suggested by TextMaker. Now you can see this lambda. So let's write trigonometric equations. Trigonometric equations. So in a double dollar sign, let's write y is equals to sine x. You will see there is no gap between sine and x. So for putting the gap, you will write a / before sign, and you will see the result. Oh, there is a mistake. Under control, undefined control sequence \sine x. Let's put a gap between this, and let's see the result. It's good now. And like this, you can write y is equals to cos of x. Sorry, cos of x. Yep. So again in a double dollar sign, and you can see the result. Yes, if you want to write, let's say y is equals to cos of or sine of or cosec of theta. So you know theta is a Greek letter, so you should put in a backslash cos of theta, again in a double dollar sign. So you will see the result cos of theta. uh, Backslash here also. This is good now. So let's write log function. For writing log function, as simple as that, y is equals to log of x in a double dollar sign. Let's see the result. Y is equals to log of x. So let's put a backslash before log. This is better. So like this, you know, you can put equations of functions. You have to put backslash before the function for a better result. Let's learn how to write superscripts. Superscripts. How can you write superscripts? Let's suppose a simple equation is like y is to the x to the power 3 in a double dollar sign, of course. So it will show you simple x cube, but if you want a result like x to the power 46, let's suppose, it will get it yeah you this is absurd. So for this you have to put in a curly bracket. See the result. This is better. So you have to write superscripts like this. Let's write yeah. So there is a question about that if we want to uh, put a log equation with a base 5 here, how can we do this? So let's first learn subscripts. So for writing subscripts, inside a double dollar sign x underscore 1, we will get the result this x subscript 1. As simple as that. Let's make it more. If we want to write x subscript 14, as simple as that, we can write this. Okay. So we have to write in a curly bracket. Remember this always. Curly bracket is very important in LATeX. So if we have to write in let's suppose a double dollar sign x underscore 1 underscore 4 3 in a curly bracket close and then double dollar sign, what you will get, there is a mistake. Yep, this is minus. This is not a, okay, there's a lots of mistake I did. Now let's see the result, and this is better. The x subscript 1 subscript 3. Yeah, so from here we can say that y is in the double dollar sign, y is equals to backslash log of log of 5 and then x in a double dollar sign. So it's No. There is subscript sign is missing. Yep. So let's say, yeah, y is equals to log base 5x. Simple. So we learned subscript, we learned superscript, we learned log functions, we learned trigonometric equations, we learned Greek letters. Let's learn fractions. How to write fractions. So for writing fractions, there is a command called frac. It is suggested automatically. You have to write again in a double dollar sign. So the command is like this. After writing frac, you will write double curly brackets, and first, if you write first 2 then 3, you will get a result 2 by 3. Oh, I forget to put double dollar sign here. Yeah, you will get a 2 by 3. As simple as that. Let's make it more complicated. Backslash frac double curly bracket. Inside of this curly bracket, let's put more. Okay. Let's first learn a square root. Let's first learn how to put a square root. So how can we write square root? Inside a double dollar sign there is a command sqrt, and sqrt, let's write first basic. Let's under root, we want to write square root of 2, so it's simple, put 2 and then double dollar sign, and you can see this. If you want to write cube root of 2, inside of a curly bracket, backslash sqrt, here you will write 3, here you will write 2, and you will see the cube root of 2. So if you want to write a little bit complicated fractions, inside the double dollar sign frac, the double curly brackets, inside one curly bracket, backslash sqrt, then this, you inside a sqrt you have one more curly bracket, and in this curly bracket you will write x plus 1, and inside this curly bracket you will write backslash sqrt, and one more curly bracket, inside this curly bracket x plus 2, and run this command and you will see this result. So this is very simple. You can practice a little bit and you will get the idea of how to write equations, functions, how to write the using Greek letters, how to write trigonometric equations. Very simple. Let's end the lecture here. In tutorial 3 we will learn ahead.